If you can imagine water as a drumstick, I spent a whole lifetime of building musical instruments out of things that probably shouldn't be musical instruments, couldn't be musical instruments, but then they turn out to be pretty good instruments. Along the way, I've done a couple of different projects with water. 4 of them have been sort of big sculptures that are musical instruments at the same time, called waterfalls. People can fill up the containers, walk up to a point higher in the instrument, and pour the water into a series of pipes or chutes or directly onto stuff down below them. A couple years ago, I did a waterfall up in Maine. I've worked off and on with the folks from Scudic Arts for All, which is a local arts organization in Winter Harbor, Maine.
You will. I know what you mean. Put a couple in at the same time here. Oh, that's the one.
The Winter Harbor is on the coast. It's up near the Scudic Point unit of Acadia National Park. Everything there is coast. Many of the items had washed in on the beaches from some storm that had displaced them from somewhere. So I did a whole lot of beach combing. Some in the park, which I wasn't supposed to be doing, and a lot on the land just very near the park. Just whatever I found. For people who are using this thing for the first time and don't have the experience with this kind of thing, yeah, it really is an experiment. There's a certain way musical instruments are traditionally presented, and they're kind of on a pedestal of some sort. So you almost are afraid to touch like a harp or something. There's just no inhibitions like that. Well, okay, here's a bunch of license plates and yogurt containers and pieces of wood, plastic antifreeze containers and whatnot. And they're just all hung up. Okay, they're going to sound? Sure, let's find out how they sound. Curiosity can take over. But there's that thing of there's no penalty for being wrong. And that's always a good thing with instruments. With certain instruments, we're all equal. Because there is no history, there's no tradition.